Chicago residents sue city to stop plans for migrant tent camp. Chicago. CBS. Neighbors in Brighton Park have been protesting the proposed migrant tent base camp at 38th and California for weeks, occupying the space on the corner in front of the lot every single day. Time equals 400 ms. greater than. But this week, they filed a lawsuit against Mayor Brandon Johnson and the city of Chicago to stop the camp from going up. CBS 2's Sabrina Franza spoke with the attorney representing the neighbors, as well as a plaintiff. It was the second lawsuit filed by a group of Chicago residents against the mayor's office to stop migrants from moving into their neighborhoods. The attorney representing residents in Brighton Park told CBS 2 he hopes the lawsuit has teeth, especially because the city has already signed a lease for a large lot at 38th and California. Time equals 400 ms. greater than. The lawsuit alleged that the plan for the site ignores city code and zoning law and asked for a temporary, and eventually a permanent, injunction against putting a migrant tent base camp there to prevent what residents called irreparable harm. The 6 plaintiffs also asked for a money judgment in response to how the city has acted in moving forward on the plan. Meanwhile, CBS 2 obtained a copy of the lease the city signed for the lot in which officials agreed to take the property, as is, for a price of $91,400 a month. Of Julia Ramirez, 12th, whose ward includes 38th and California, held a second community meeting about the issue Thursday night, but virtually this time. A spokesperson said representatives for the mayor were in attendance but did not say a word about the lease signing. The lease was dated October 26, though it was not clear when it was actually signed. Ramirez told CBS 2 in a statement she was never informed, the same reason why some of her constituents decided to join together and file a lawsuit against the city. "We're hoping to win," said one of the plaintiffs. "We're hoping to conquer something for use for a future. For her sons, daughters, mothers, fathers, grandmothers." The attorney in this latest lawsuit said they hope to go before a judge early next week and secure that emergency injunction order. In a statement, the mayor's office said the city has not made a final decision on the proposed camp. The city of Chicago is at an increasingly critical point in the new arrival mission, with more than 3,200 asylum seekers sleeping on the floors of police stations, at O'Hare Airport and outdoors in inclement weather. For this reason, the city is pursuing all potential locations in its plan for temporary shelter, including the property at 3710 S California, and entering into lease agreements, license and occupancy agreements, and right of entry agreements where sites may be used for intended purposes. The city is currently in the process of determining if there are any environmental issues affecting this potential location. The city will analyze the results and determine next steps. We will then notify residents of the final site determination, and if viable, share further operational details on the plan.